Hello, guys. Because Ochusi here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Grace Mondlane, so guys, ushonelwe i-ex yakhe, soka lakhe lakudala leli bekathandzana nalo. So livakale ukuthi lishonile. Waphosta-ke Grace wasitshela ukuthi kunesoka lakhe leli bekafundza nalo evarsity yena na-18 lona lina-24. Uthi bahlukane this year for the past 5 years vele bekasola umuntu wakhe but bebakhipha i-relationship yabo private. Ayike wahamba Grace waye emngcwabeni wa-boyfriend isoka lakhe lakudala. Bantu babhizi bathi sorry Grace for your loss. Sorry. Kanti ukubi u-girlfriend womjida? Ukubi u-current girlfriend? Lo akhona manje cause sibona kutrenda Grace and uyasho Grace ukuthi yena mina ngiyi-ex. Ke sihambe isikhathi Grace update Guy ku-LinkedIn ukuthi Guy vele u-passed away nini, born nini and passed away nini. Hayi, kanti uGrace ubhizi. So manje ubuyile Grace ucedile ngomncwabo uthi yena she doesn't know ukuthi yini into etrendako manje kuhambani cause yena she just lost the love of her life sindani. Hayi bantu bamthatha bathi hawu girl awati njani wena ukuthi kwenekalani ngoba wena usendele i-girlfriend kaMove i-voice note uthi bekungeke kube namngcwabo wena ungekho.
In your heart, I'm not in the bad books because of everything that has transpired this week. I just want us to just always be reminded of him when we think of each other. And although I did tell you that he didn't do right by me most of the time, of the duration of us being together, and had I not been a part of the funeral, there wouldn't be a funeral at all. And that's not things I tell to people to say, I pray for it every day, and I did this, that. That's not, because that's going to bring shame to the family. However, I just want to tell you that my intention of everything was not malicious, rather to just look and move on with my life, with what I said and posted, okay? I hope if I did hurt your feelings a bit, that you do forgive me, okay?